What's up, everybody? Hey, it's Terry Bond Tips, and I hope you're enjoying this series on wealth management using AI. I'm really excited about all the opportunity that AI is providing in the wealth building space, the real estate investment space, and the financial education space, because it's something that's been needed solely for so long. A lot of us talked about, we didn't learn financial education from maybe our parents or maybe in school. And the problem was there wasn't a vehicle, there wasn't a technology that could take us step by step through this process, and AI does it without the interjection of another human being. I'm going to make a video about all the benefits of using AI to build wealth once I finish this series right here. I'm really enjoying doing this. It stretches me and makes me a better instructor, makes me a better teacher, because it's an area I have never experienced before, especially with AI. So, I'm learning, I'm growing. Give me 4 months, 6 months, a year. I'm going to be on top of my game, you guys. So we're going to talk about an annual review. Let's just say, for example, I was combing through some emails and I seen these words, annual review. What does it mean? So let's go again to my AI so I can share it with you. One of the things I really like doing is showing you guys exactly what I'm doing, exactly how I'm doing it, instead of trying to just talk about it, which is very hard. I mean, to just talk without putting you to sleep and boring you. I just show exactly what I'm doing in my AI. So it's made it easier for me. So again, let's say I was coming through my email and some real estate investor talked about you need to conduct a regular review and adjustment of your portfolio. And I'm like, what does that mean? So one of the things I use AI for that I really enjoy is using it as a think tank. Okay? Things I don't know, and there's so much I don't know. I can go in and ask my AI, and it can make it easier. And then I become more knowledgeable. Then I can research and become more and more knowledgeable. So I love it for that aspect also. But it's a great mentor. It's a great millionaire mentor, billionaire mentor, however you want to think about it, to get you going in the direction you really want to go. All right. So again, we're talking about conducting a regular review and adjustment of my portfolio. So I type in there, what is a regular review and adjustment? I ask AI that. What is a regular review and adjustment? Well, a regular review and adjustment of your portfolio involves periodically evaluating your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Okay? It keeps you on track of your financial goals. I don't have to call someone and ask them what they think. And, you know, that just feels kind of disconnected for me when I'm working on my goals and there's a question I got to call someone. Hey, what about this? What about that? What about this? Why don't I just go to my computer? Why don't I just go to my my chat bot, right? And ask the question. Let it guide me, and I become self-educated, right? All right. So again, ensures in lines with our financial goals, my risk tolerance, and the market conditions. This process helps optimize performance and mitigate risk. The key steps include performance analysis. Okay, assess the ROI, cash flow, and equity growth of each investment. Identify underperforming assets. All right. Market trends, risk assessment. And again, as you guys well know, if you've been watching these videos, excuse me, I'm not going to read every single detail. I think, again, that bores you. I would rather you stop the video and read each individual item, topic on your own. Risk assessment. Identify potential risks such as market volatility, unexpected expenses. Take steps to minimize it. Rebalancing, scaling opportunities. Explore options to expand your portfolio, such as acquiring new property or notes. Make sure you're in goal alignment. Ensure your portfolio is on track to meet your long-term financial objectives, such as building generational wealth or achieving financial independence. Regular reviews can be conducted monthly, quarterly, or annually, daily, depending on your investment strategy and market dynamics. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat to just be able to sit back in an environment that's relaxed and comfortable with your coffee, maybe your chips, maybe a game zone, you're watching some show, and it's casual. You don't have to maybe get up, go get dressed up, go see some planner, have a little pressure on you because you feel that you're not where you want to be. This is great. I mean, look at me right now. Well, it look like I'm having fun with what I'm doing, right? Just sitting back at the house, relax, got the pool water going, breeze going through it. I'm talking about, what I love to do is wealth building, finance, real estate. It's something that's inspired me for the last 40 something years. All right, so okay, what I want to do now is I want to scroll down and I want to put another question into my AI. It's like, you know what? I'd like to conduct one of those regular reviews and adjustments in my portfolio. What information do you need from me to get started? Conduct a regular review and adjustment of your portfolio. The following information will be helpful. My portfolio details. A list of your current investments, including properties, bank notes, or other assets, along with the purchase price, current value, and ROI. Those are things I can do, right? Because it's my portfolio. It's simple. I can do it at my pace. I can go have a sandwich right now, come back, put the information in, and I'm good. Financial goals, long-term objectives such as increasing cash flow, scaling portfolios, building generational wealth. Performance metrics, what's the data on your cash flow, equity growth, repair costs, and profit margins for each investment. Your risk tolerance, market insights, investment strategies, details on your preferred strategies, such as fix and flip, buy and hold, wholesaling, and note buying. You decide what to put in. The time frame. How often would you like to conduct reviews? Well, this is a real easy question. It just asks, how long, how often would you like to conduct reviews? Okay, let's try about it. Now you can go and change it. Well, let's try it. Nah, change it. The challenges. Any specific issues, concerns you're facing with your portfolio, such as underperforming assets or high repair costs. Providing this information will help create a tailored plan to optimize your portfolio and line it with your financial goals. Now, the next question I put in here, okay, and what I did, I just pre-typed these questions in, you guys, because earlier when I made the videos, I would go in and type each question in, and guess what? It would take a little time. It made the video longer. So now I just want to get right to the point, make it quick, simple, boom, have video done so you can move on. And you can decide for yourself, if you want to extend things out by asking certain questions. See, this is customized, you guys. This is personalized for you, right? Think about going to a seminar. Think about a book, right? It's a generic book that's one size fits all. You see, you're unique, you're special. You need personalized attention. So basically what this AI does, it allows you to personalize it to your own situation. It's not some generic one-size-fits-all program. It's customized again, especially for you. All right, so give me a hypothetical case study of a review, and so I can learn from it, model it. All right, so here we go. AI creates a hypothetical case study. Now, how many hypothetical case studies can I have? As many as you want. Until you feel you got it, you learned, and you're ready to move on. And that didn't cost you any extra money, you guys. See, this is the differentiator between learning from the school teaching or learning from our parents, right? Because our parents and the school teacher had to be an expert to be able to adapt like AI is doing for me. Hey, I got a question. And everybody's got questions. One thing about me, I ask a lot of questions. When I go somewhere, I'll tell you what, I'm sitting in the front of the room, I'm asking the most questions. I'm trying to get as much as I can. Now, when I'm learning, which is great, I have questions. Here's my question. Please give me a hypothetical case study. Boom, it comes up, right? Now, the teacher The instructor, the book, has to now adjust, right? And it takes too long and it's static. It wasn't built for that. AI is perfect, right? Because it's flexible. Anything you want, anytime you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can get your answer. All right, so let's look at this portfolio. John Doe. Let's see what John Doe has. John Doe has 5 properties, 3 rental properties, 1 fix-and-flip project, and 1 foreclosure note. What's the goals? Increase the monthly cash flow, reduce repair costs, and scale the portfolio to 10 properties within 2 years. That's interesting, right? What's your plan? This is John's. This is John customer plan. You know what? I want to scale my portfolio to 10 properties within 2 years. Well, let's say you only want 8 properties and you want to do it in 4 years. Just change it. Hey, I don't want to do it in 10. I can put right down here in the box, type in, I don't want to scale my portfolio to 10 properties in 2 years. I want 8 properties in 4 years. It's not a one size fits all. It's customized. Now you see what I'm saying, right? This is why it's exciting, because there's never been anything like this, you guys. Never been anything like this. This is why I'm excited. This is why I'm all in on AI. Wow. AI gives me access to wealth. So if I get this information, the only thing left for me is take the action, right? And if I'm still not comfortable yet, ask some more questions till you get comfortable. And then what do you got to do? Take the action. Portfolio review, current portfolio performance. Rental property A, purchase price $200,000, current value $250, cash flow is $1,200, equity growth $50,000, repair costs is $5,000 a year. Rental property B, it goes through the numbers. Rental property C goes through the numbers. Fix and flip project, purchase price $150,000, repair costs are ongoing at $40,000, projected ARV $250. Profit margin, $60,000. So if you're a real estate investor and you've been at the game for a while, even if you're a beginner investor, this is the language we talk. This is language I've been talking for 44 years. And I said, wait a minute, if I can implement AI into what I've already done, whoo, that makes me a superpower. Who else out there is doing this? Who else out there has a program like this, like I can model? I was surprised. I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I want to create that $100 million valuation for my company, WealthMentor.AI. I'll make the foreclosure note. Purchase price 80 grand. Monthly cash flow is $800 a month. Equity growth is 20,000. Identifying issues and opportunities. Key observations of rental property B. Got high repair costs, okay, which is reducing profitability. Fix and flip property. Repairs taking longer than expected. Hey, AI is evaluating your real estate for you and evaluating my real estate for me. It's telling me what I need to fix. It's telling you what I need to fix. Ladies and gentlemen, this is awesome. Come on now. If you're not getting excited about this, something's wrong. Because guess what? AI is here. AI is your access to wealth. But a lot of people, including myself, when I first seen it, I'm not going to do it. And there's something about AI that seems a little bit, there's something going on here. And I'm not going to jump on this opportunity. I'm going to wait, passing by. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, this is the future. This is now. AI is now. When you look at AI the way I'm teaching you right now, showing you, going to seminars is going to be hard. That's going to be like going to dentist and pulling teeth. Okay? It really is. This right here is my mentor and my authority and expert in teaching me how to build wealth in real estate, how to be an investor, right? Right? So again, a lot of people spend a lot of time searching the internet for different programs, different things. Imagine if you spent that time with your own AI, asking the questions that you really need in order to make progress. World of difference. All right, let me keep going. Preach it to the choir. The foreclosure note, consistent cash flow, but equity growth is limited compared to other investments. Okay. Overall portfolio, monthly cash flow 4,400, equity growth 140,000, repair costs 50,000 a year. Adjustments and recommendations, rental property B, there it is. Actions taken. Okay. Conducted a detailed inspection to identify repair cost drivers, negotiated with contractors to reduce repair costs by 20%, increase rent by $100 a month to improve the cash flow. All right. The fix and flip project. Again, I'm not going to go everything here. I'm kind of just highlight it, keep it moving. All right. For the note now, which I love, explore options to sell the note to a hedge fund for lump sum profit. That's an option. Never thought of that, but hey, maybe I could sell this note to a hedge fund and give you a lump sum. Ultimately, considered restructuring the loan, increase the monthly payments. Okay, that would have to be something with the homeowner of the note. Portfolio expansion. Identified 3 new foreclosure properties in high demand areas for potential acquisition. Use the equity from rental property A and C to secure financing for new purchase. Results after the adjustment. Updated portfolio performance. After this investor did everything that AI asked, and it wanted to be a part of this, here's what happened. The monthly cash flow increased to $1,000 on rental property B. Reduced the repair cost to $5,600 a year. Fix and flip project. Repairs were completed in 2 months, sold for $245, yielding a profit of $55,000. Hey, they sold the note to a hedge fund for $100,000, made $20,000. Bought it for $80,000, sold it for $100,000. Portfolio expansion acquired 2 new foreclosure properties, each generating $1,200 monthly cash flow. The overall metrics. Monthly cash flow increased $6,800. Equity growth increased to $108,000, reduced to $13,600 a year on repair costs. Lessons learned: regular inspections, proactive adjustments, portfolio diversification, market research. The next steps: schedule a quarterly review to monitor portfolio performance and market trends. So again, hey, another 3 or 4 months, let's do this again. Let me see where I'm at. This is like a crystal ball, ladies and gentlemen, like your genie in the bottle. Why would you not want to make your life better? Why would you not want to improve your life by getting involved with AI? So I ask, AI is your access to wealth. Everybody starts in the same place. Very little knowledge. But as you go on and you get better and better and better, you keep asking questions, more and more questions. You guys already know, I've said it. 10,000 prompts. I'm probably going to way more than that. But I've asked this 10,000 questions about how to make my life better, how to improve my life, and how to help AI make me more money. How can AI make me money? Right? All right, so continue operating cash flow. See what was there. Next step: schedule review, explore portfolio purchase to scale the portfolio further. All right, okay. Continue optimizing cash flow and equity growth through strategic adjustment. This case study demonstrates how regular reviews and adjustments can optimize portfolio performance, reduce costs, and align investments with financial goals. By identifying issues, taking corrective actions, and leveraging opportunities, investors can achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. Wow. If you don't like this, I don't know what it's going to take, right? Imagine the amount of money you got to spend to find someone, a coach, a mentor, a trainer, a think tank, a crystal ball that you can spend time with to get this information. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know how much money that will cost you? And you still may not get to where you feel comfortable because there's so much more information. But what if you need more information with AI? What do? You grab your sandwich, you grab your popcorn, you grab your coffee, your favorite drink, go to a spot, your happy place. Right? I love it. And again, you guys, here's what's really neat. There's 3 questions that are at the bottom here that kind of guide you to maybe your next step. Okay, how often should I conduct a portfolio review? That's one question. Can you provide examples of successful portfolio adjustment? Does that interest you? I've done an interest you, and that's okay. What tools can assist in portfolio management? All right, maybe I'll click this one. What you can do also is you can start here. All right, number 1, how often should I conduct a portfolio review? Type that in. Number 2, can you provide examples of successful portfolio adjustments? Number 3, what tools can assist in portfolio management? You can get all 3 of those questions answered in this box. Again, so long as it's less than 500 letters. Okay. And if it's more than 500 letters, you just keep typing until you got all your letters in. Now, again, you don't really want to make this confusing. You ain't trying to confuse AI. You're trying to keep it simple and easy and clean, okay? Clean so that AI can give you a great answer for your question instead of sending you on this wild goose chase. All right. So, hey, that's it. I love this one. I can't wait to get going with the next one. Again, we talked about wealth management. There's probably about 11 videos that I'm going to make, and then I'm going to move on to my next subject. So, if you got any questions, you can always give me a call at 916 470-3869, 916-470-3869. My name is Terry Bontemps. Right now is a good opportunity because I'm just getting started with my platform and with my voice. And once I get this established, once I get the kinks ironed out, once I get my systems built, of course, it's all going to be automated at that point. That way I can serve more people globally. Because right now I can't do it because I'm a one-person operation. So this is a part of my learning curve. I'm excited to be doing it because everything else will be driven by videos, by automation, hopefully to reach people all over the world. One nice thing I love about this also is that I can have it converted to a different language. Let's say if you speak Spanish, okay? I can go to um, my mobile device. I can type in a question. I can say, well, please convert to Spanish. Please convert to French. Please convert this to Thai. It's amazing. I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye.